that is also ingenuine, your lordship. That is also punishable, your lordship. The main purpose of this act is to put into limelight the offender being the person who is forcing someone to convert through bribery, through threat, and through inducement. Not the restriction is into place. Your lordship, we are not saying you can't convert and you shall not be allowed to convert. You can only stay in the majority. We are simply asking citizens, why are you converting? Are you in danger? Do you understand what you are going through? Would it not be unfair for the state to not ask these questions if the state is for the will of the people, your lordship? Even in the Justice K.S. Puttaswamy that your lordship so kindly mentioned, the court laid down that any restriction on the right to privacy must be sanctioned by law for the necessity in a democratic society, your lordship, because of the legislation having a legitimate aim and the proportionate need for such interference. If the neighboring countries did not pump money and try to convert them, if there was no threat of conversion itself, your lordship, then the state wouldn't have put this restriction at all. It is only because such a the circumstance exists, that is why we are putting this restriction, your lordship. And with that, the council submits that the Prohibition of Illegal Conversion Act satisfies these conditions, since it was also enacted through a legitimate legislation. Yes, your lordship, we do maintain that.
What about the Moot legislation? It's subject to the fundamental principles and also to cope with the basic structure rules.
Yes,
otherwise, that legislation may go. Power to legislate is there, but legislation power should be exercised to make laws within the constitutional order, not otherwise.
yes, your lordship.
These are the areas. One, power to legislate. That is there even as per the fundamental provisions. But power to legislate upon a subject, it is found to be against the fundamental principles and basic structure, that will be struck down for that reason. Then also power is there. So then why can't you say that the amendment, without the amendment, whether the state legislature's act under challenge is not maintainable?
Your lordships, that is because the amendment playing a role that is furthering this legislation to be passed is merely coincidental. There is this issue has been existing way before this amendment has been come into place, your lordship. It is something that has been existing for eons and existing in this current case also through the neighboring countries' threat of conversion. And
Comes there after more correct, because instead of exercising a power which is already available, apprehending that such a